there, fellow creators! Today's tutorial is extra special to me because it is inspired by one of my favorite series, Frieren Beyond Journey's End. In this video, I'll show you how I spruced up a spellbook for my Frieren cosplay using Siser's Easy PSV Vinyl or pressure-sensitive vinyl. This is a great line of cuttable vinyls by Siser that can be applied without heat to plastics, wood, and other hard surface materials. So, with the magical wave, let's get started. I bought a decorative book box on Amazon to use as my base. It looks pretty good, but it's not magical enough to be a grimoire for Frieren, and I wanted to add some gold designs to it for more dimension and decoration. So I took some photos of the book from above and measured it carefully, and Keith at Siser helped me whip up some vector files for the gold vinyl.
Like I said, I'm using Siser's Easy PSV in Starling Gold, which can be found at Michael's and on Amazon. After unrolling the vinyl, I applied it directly on Siser's 12x12 cutting mat, gold side facing up. Yes, the mat is a little sticky. I fed the mat through the cutter from the back and lined up the blade at the edge of the mat. Remember to pull the locking lever to lock it in place. We are ready to cut, but we need to set up the design on the computer. In Leonardo Design Studio, I imported the vector art for the spellbook, verified the size was correct, and clicked Send Design. This pulled up the cutter preview page. Remember that this page only shows the cut lines. After one last check, I sent the design through wireless connection to the cutter across the room. Super easy. Quickly and quietly, the Romeo started cutting the spellbook design. For super intricate small details, I sometimes will reduce the speed for certain sections, which can easily be done directly on the cutter's touchscreen. Just like that, my gold design has been cut. Now it's time to weed out the design. I taped the PSV vinyl to a table, then scorched the surface to break apart the design into smaller sections. Don't cut through the backing obviously, just the vinyl. This is really helpful when weeding large, intricate designs. Using the Easy Weeder tool, I started to remove the excess gold from my piece. Because of the tiny details, I went slowly and carefully. Unlike heat transfer vinyl, pressure-sensitive vinyl has a sticky back to it, so the excess material can stick to the parts you want to keep. So, go slow and be meticulous. As you can see, Siser products can truly achieve details as thin as a hair. It is so satisfying to see the design emerge. To transfer this design to the book, I use Siser's Easy PSV transfer tape. It is transparent with the sticky bag and has convenient grid lines to help you keep designs straight. First, I cut the transfer tape to the approximate size of my vinyl design. I peeled off the backing, revealing the transfer tape, then carefully placed it over my vinyl. After pressing down firmly, I went over the entire area with Siser's Easy Squeegee tool. Again, it really helps when you tape the design to a table. And the repeated rubbing creates a strong bond to the transfer tape. Now I was able to peel the vinyl off its backing. I went slowly and pressed in areas as I needed. But man, look at how nice this design transferred. Now it's time to decorate the book. See, it is a storage box. I applied the gold PSV to the smooth back cover first. I used the transparent transfer tape and grid lines to help me line it up. Then I grabbed the Easy Squeegee tool again and applied moderate pressure to really adhere the vinyl to the surface. The last step was simply peeling off the transfer tape. It is such a great product designed for PSV vinyl that has just the right amount of stickiness. I love it. Look how much nicer the book looks with these gold details. But we still have to decorate the front cover, which has a 3D raised surface. Challenge accepted. Once again, I carefully positioned the PSV on the surface using the grid lines to line everything up. Then I broke out my sculpting tools and used one with a rounded ball end to press in the line between the raised book cover. The Easy Squeegee handled the larger surfaces. Once I felt like the vinyl was properly pressed on, I removed the transfer tape. And suddenly, I have a very nice, fancy-looking Grimoire spellbook that is also a handy container for all my stuff at cons.
As you can see, it is super easy to cut and apply Easy PSV to props and other hard surface items. This spellbook is a fun and functional addition to my Frieren cosplay, and it took no time at all to create. I can even use it as a con bag at events. Siser brand vinyls are available at Michaels, Joann, and Amazon, with a myriad of colors and finishes. Check out the Siser North America website for more info, as well as a ton of educational blog posts. You can also subscribe to their fantastic Siser YouTube channel with a lot of project videos. I hope this video gave you some ideas for how to decorate your own cosplay props. Please share your ideas with me in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified of future uploads. Until next time, happy crafting!